Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Muskan. So in today's video, I'm gonna swatch and review Faces Canada Ultime Pro Lip Crayons. I have 7 of them, some in browns, pinks, reds and nudes. So if you wanna see only the swatches, I will leave the timestamp somewhere right here. And if you wanna see the review, then continue watching. So guys, as I told you, I have 7 shades from them, 2 in the mini variant and 5 in the full size variant. So first let's talk about the full size variant's packaging. So it's a matte black packaging with some silver imprints. Here is the expiry date and the shade name, and here you can see the shade. From one end you can open and take your crayon out, and from the other end you get a sharpener free with each of the crayons. So yeah, here is the sharpener, and the thing I like about is this. Here you get a, let me show you. It's like a pin. If you're you're sharpening the crayon and it nips get broken off and stuck here, you can just scrape it out from here. So yeah, that was a good thing which I like about it very much. All the sharpener have these things. So now let's talk about the mini packaging. So yeah, here it is written Faces Canada XPT Sand and Minis. Here there is no panel for that crayon to show, so you can see the initial shade of the crayon, and the name is mentioned here in the above the barcode. And here also you get a crayon on one side like here, and on the other end you get the same sharpener. So yeah, so this is the mini one, this is the full size variant. So the difference is the cap. Here is in the full size you will get a transparent cap, and whereas in the mini one you will get a black cap. And the second difference is that in the body you can see there are no, there is a simple body color coded. Here it's also color coded body with some flowers. You can see some beautiful prints of flower. So yeah, that was the difference between the two. The packaging was different, and the inner packaging had this much differences, or else the formula, the longevity and everything is same in both of them. I don't think so. Cap doesn't matter, and the print is like cute here. You should be in the full size one because I like the print. So yeah guys, the formula on these lipsticks are so good. It gives you the pigmentation is just a one stroke pigmentation. It's a very creamy formula. You just have to glide it on. You have to give it 30 seconds to 1 minute after you apply it, sometimes 2 minutes even, to settle. If once it gets settled, it won't move, but it does transfer a bit, and it sometimes budge very rarely. If you wear a mask and if it haven't set properly, it will budge, especially the darker shades. So yeah, and the formulation are very good. It's so creamy but yet so comfortable on your lips. The longevity of these are so good. On me, I have personally wore it for 6 to 8 hours, and it has stayed it has faded, but from not on the centers of the lip, but it has faded from all over the lips and leaving a good tint, more than a tint color. And once it is faded a bit, it doesn't fade very much. Once it is faded a bit, you will rub your lips together, then it will always give you a nice lipstick color again. So you don't have to reapply it again. It will go a long way. 8 hours तो आराम से जाएगा. 8 hours का कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना है. It will go easily for 8 hours. So, guys, even these lipsticks are very easy to remove with normal micellar water. They are they get off very easily, and as you know, the pigmentation is one stroke, but taking off is also very easy. So guys, you get 2.8 grams of product in the full size one, and in the mini one you get 2.5 grams of product. There is only 3.3 grams of difference. You get this for 800, 799, 800, and this for 549, which is equal to 550. and I get these in buy one get one. So for 400 for 2.8 and 275 for like 2.5. Like you check Nykaa, like you should check Nykaa daily for such an offers. Like कभी भी आ जाता है ये offer. So whenever मैं खोलते रहती हूँ Nykaa in like every like single day or like leaving one day, and whenever see like offer on faces like buy one get one on their lipstick, I just grab like 2 or 4 of them. So yeah guys, I should like I will prefer to go for the smaller one because you're getting just 3 gram less, and I don't feel like सारा बड़ा लिपस्टिक like the full size one खत्म कर पाते हैं. Like some shades are there like you can get over with them, but most of the shades are like you can't get over with them. So which shade I feel I can get over with them, I buy the full size, and if I have the option of the mini ones, I go for the mini ones. As the mini ones have launched, there are like 16 they are in total, by the way guys, they have in total 26 shades. They have purples, wine shades, pinks, reds, maroons, nude, brown. They have some beautiful browns and reds. I love their reds and browns. So guys, you go for the mini ones. The thing is that the full size one have 26 shade in their range, and the mini one comes in only the 16 shade. I would say faces, please come with the rest of the 10 shades in the mini one also, because I love the mini one better. Because I feel so, I personally have so much of lipstick, like I'm a lipstick hoarder. So I feel so I have so many lipstick. I love these lipsticks, but I am not able to get over with all the shades. Like I love 1 or 2 shades which I can like get over with, but talking about all the shade like reds and pinks, I'm more of a brown person than reds and pinks, so I can get over with browns but not with reds or pinks. So guys, I would like say faces, please come with the mini ones also. So guys, if you ask me, I would say you go for the mini one, but you like see any shade and you just love it and you can think you can like get over with it, then you buy a full size. What I do is I buy the mini size. If I'm able to finish that, then I will get the big size, the full size. So that was my review on the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Lip Crayons, and now let's get into the swatches. the video, do like, share and subscribe. And if you want any kind of review of any of the product, do comment down below. And thanks for watching.